Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed my Facebook profile. So is it possible or not? I will show you how to do this. So for this, first of all, you just have to go for Play Store application, and in the search bar, if you search for this who viewed my Facebook profile, you can see there are many apps to see who viewed your Facebook profile. But all are fake. If you install it, your account getting risk, so don't install it. Now just go back to the Play Store and open your Facebook application. Tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, scroll down and go for this help and support and tap on this help center. You will be redirected to this page, and now you can search for who viewed my profile. Just tap on it. So you can see who views your profile, see how many people have viewed your Facebook page, all the options. So you just have to tap on this first one, and now you can see Facebook clearly says that they doesn't track who sees your profile. So you can't see who viewed your Facebook profile if you download the apps. Still you can't see this, so don't lose your time for this work. This feature is not available right now. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.